Friends, today you have to start with our third lesson of the algebra, arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression, you will represent arithmetic progression in short as AP, A dot P dot, AP. You will say that AP. And in this lesson, we have to learn what is the meaning of sequence, what is the meaning of arithmetic progression. Which one is the sequence, which one is the arithmetic progression. If the series are given, you have to differentiate this series in between the sequence and the arithmetic progression. Then which one is the sequence, which one is the arithmetic progression, what is the difference between the sequence and the arithmetic progression, that today you have to learn in this lecture. So in scholarship we already learned the sequence, means series. They are giving the series. This is the first example. This one is 1. After 1, 2 will come. After that 3 will come. 4, 5, 6. This is the one type of the pattern. After 1, 2 will come. 2. After 2, 3. After that 4. After that 5. After that 6. If you will observe, this sequence is according to the increasing order of the numbers. Means if this first number is in this sequence, first number is 1. So you have to say that first term is 1. Second term is 2. Third term is 3, fourth term is 4, fifth term is 5, and sixth term is 6. And if you will observe in between these consecutive numbers means the number which is one after another. If you will observe that numbers, that time you have to see that this next number is greater than 1 by the previous number. Means if this one is 1, this one is 2, the difference between the two consecutive term is 1. Here 2 minus 1 is equal to what will come? 1. You have to see next number 3, how 3 will come. Means if you will increase, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Then you have to say that 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. And dash means this series is in continuation, is continued now. Means frequently the next numbers will come in the same order. Means next number is greater than 1 by the previous number. So this next number is bigger than previous number by 1. After 6, 7 will come. After that 8 will come. After that 9 will come. So this is one pattern. This is one type of the pattern. And if you will observe, the difference between the two consecutive terms is same. Whatever be the difference in between the first two numbers, that one is the same as the difference between the last two numbers. And or you have to take the middle two numbers. The difference is the same. But you will observe this sequence. Here after 1, 2, after that 4, 7, 11 and 16. This next number is greater than previous number by 1. Next number is greater than previous number by 2. Next number is greater than previous number by 3. Next number is greater than previous number by 4. Means this number, this series holds the number. They are increasing by in the order 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. If you will add 1 to this previous number 1, at that time 2 will come. If you will add 2 in between the numbers, at that time 4 will come. If you will add 3, at that time 7 will come. Means here the difference between the two consecutive terms is same. Difference means the next number minus previous number is equal to 1. Next number minus previous number is equal to 1. Next number minus previous number is equal to 1. But here next number minus previous number is equal to 2. Here difference is not same, but here difference is same. You have to observe this sequence or this series 5, 8, 11, 14 and 17. Next number is greater than 3 by previous number. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. 11 plus 3 is equal to 14. 14 plus 3 is equal to 17, like that. Everybody understand? After that, this is one type of pattern. This is the one type of pattern. This is one type of pattern. If you will observe this pattern, at that time 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, 10 plus 10 is equal to 20, 20 plus 15 is equal to 35. Means difference between the two consecutive terms is not constant. Here difference between the two consecutive term is 5, 10, 15 and 20. Means next number is greater than previous number in the order 5, 10, 15 and 20. Then you have to come to this sequence 7, 7, 7, 7. The difference between the, if you will add 0, that times 7 plus 7 is equal to 0. Otherwise difference between the two consecutive term is 0. Here difference is constant. Everybody understand? Then you have to observe this sequence. Here after 50, 46 will come. 50 minus 4 is equal to 56. 56 minus 6 is equal to 40. 40 minus 8 is equal to 32. And 32 minus 10 is equal to 22. This is one of the sequence. This is one of the series. In this, you have to observe that the difference between the next number is smaller than previous number in order minus 4, minus 6, minus 8 and minus 11, minus 10. Like that. Then, what is the meaning of sequence and what is the meaning of arithmetic progression, that you have to differentiate in between the given things or given series. If you will observe, that time you will learn that here the difference between the two consecutive term is constant. Here difference between the two consecutive term is constant. I will do like this. Difference between the two consecutive term is constant. In between the sequence number 1, sequence number 3, sequence number 5, the difference between the two consecutive term is constant. But remaining example 2, 4 and 6, the difference between the two consecutive term is not constant. Though the difference between the two consecutive number is same, or though the difference between the two consecutive term is not same, whatever be the sequence, they are in the definite order. So you have to say that all the example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, they are called as the sequence. And what is the definition of sequence? That you have to see. A sequence is the collection of the number arranged in a definite order according to the same definite rule. Means according to the same definite rule, the numbers are rearranged. Then you have to say the question that what is the same definite rule? If you will observe here, the difference is 5, 10, 15, 20. After that definite rule, they will increase by 25. After that 30. Everybody understand? Here also the difference between the same definite rule. Here difference between the two consecutive term is 1, 1, 1 and 1. So all are called as the sequence. This all the series given in this right side, they are called as the sequence. Means example number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are called as the sequence. Everybody understand? Then what is the meaning of arithmetic progression? The definition of the arithmetic progression is given. In the given sequence, if the difference between the two consecutive term is constant, if the difference between the two consecutive term is constant, that time you have to say that one is called as the arithmetic progression. Everybody understand? So then which one is the arithmetic progression? Here the difference between the two consecutive term is constant, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So you have to say that the next number is greater than the previous number by 1. So you have to say that this one is called as this sequence is in AP. Can I say this sequence is in AP? No, this is not in AP because the difference between the two consecutive term is not constant. Here difference between the two consecutive term is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is not in AP. Then you have to observe this example. The difference between the two consecutive term in each and every case, the difference between the two consecutive term is 3. So you have to say that this one is called as the AP. This is the AP. You have to say the answer. This series is in AP. This series is not in AP because the difference between the two consecutive term is not constant because they are increasing. Here this sequence is in AP because difference between the two consecutive term is same. Difference is same, then that sequence is in AP. This sequence is in AP, but this sequence is not in AP. So I will say that each AP sequence, each AP series is called as the sequence, but each sequence is not AP. Each sequence is AP? No. the sequence is in AP when the difference between the two consecutive term is constant. That time you have to say that that sequence is in AP. I will say that for example number, which example number? Example number 2, 4 and 6. All example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are sequence. And here you will say that example, which examples? 1, 3, 5 are called AP. Everybody understand? Everybody understand? So you have to say that what is the difference between sequence and AP? If the sequence is the collection of the number arranged in the definite order according to the same definite rule. If the rule is same, that time you have to say that that one is called as the sequence. And AP means the difference between the two consecutive term is constant. That time you have to say that that sequence is in AP. I already explained the example. This example number 1, 3 and 5. The difference between the two consecutive term is same. So these sequences are called as AP. But all the sequences, I will say that all the series given, they are called as the sequence. This AP is not the AP is called as the sequence, but sequence is not called as the AP. Everybody understand what is the meaning of AP and sequence? You have to write these examples and write this definition also. And I not wrote the example, but you have to downside this sequence. You have to write this example. Whatever be the example number I am giving, that you have to write. And arithmetic progression, example number 1, 3 and 5 downside you have to write, and you have to complete the notebook. Everybody understand? If you have the doubts, you have to, in my personal WhatsApp number, you have to give me the message if you will not understand. But I think I explained this properly. You have to write all these things in the notebook. Thank you.